Finance Minister, your party has always stood for a strong rupee. But if you look at the Indian rupee in the last 1 year, it's been on a losing streak. It's almost lost 10% against the dollar, around 16% against the euro. Are you comfortable with this level of the rupee, and are you happy with the steps that the RBI is taking to maintain it?
Let's understand one thing. Our party, yes, was in favor of and is in favor of always a strong rupee, no doubt. But it's also got to be predicated in the context of how the economy is. Economy suffering from high inflation, economy being fragile, and your rupee value also not in a good position, makes it really hard and difficult for everybody. But one thing I can clearly say is economy is fine and fit.
Yes.
Your macroeconomic fundamentals are strong. And that's not to say, look, therefore are you being indifferent to rupee-dollar exchange rate? I'm not indifferent. But I'll also look at it from the realistic challenges that we have to understand where rupee is finding itself now. Reserve Bank is closely monitoring.
So you are saying that you are comfortable with this situation at the moment?
I'm leaving it there. I don't think I will say I'm comfortable, not comfortable. I'll leave it there.
Okay. India's holding of US Treasury bonds have declined about 25% compared to the peak of 2023. At the same time, Reserve Bank of India has increased its holdings on gold. Do you see this trend continuing?
I think many central banks, not just Reserve Bank of India, are pitching to buy more gold, and India seems to be following the trend.
Okay. Gold is up by about 80%, silver by 250%. How do you see this in the last 1 year, this phenomenon?
The uncertainties in the world are making people to fall back on, let's say, time-proven asset, which is gold. And that's bound to be because it is beyond anyone's fair assessment to see where things will move, and therefore the demand for gold.
That brings me to